Hi everyone, this quick how-to video is going to show you how to get the content from your lesson plan up into Sakai. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your lesson plan so that you have your content ready. Then you're going to go to the Sakai site and you're going to go down to the Lessons tab and you're going to pick whatever week you've been assigned. For the purpose of this demonstration, I have a test site, but when you open yours, it's going to look very similar to this. It's little instructions on how to add content to the page. So let's start. You're going to go up to the Add Content Plus button, and you're going to get this drop-down menu of things you can do. I'm going to show you three things: how to add text, how to add content on a page, such as a video, and I'm going to show you how to link to a forum topic. Okay. So let's get going. Okay, so we're going to add some text. So you're going to go to your lesson plan and you are going to, copy the title of your lesson. Sorry. And you can paste it in here. And you can make font bigger by going to the size and scrolling down. You can center font. You can bold it. There's a lot of text editing features up here that you're probably familiar with. I'd like everyone to add their names to the lesson, and it's nice to include some contextual information. And in this case, I think what works is their lesson goals. So I'm going to copy that and paste it in, but I don't want that centered. So I'm going to go back to left justified. Okay, so I recommend chunking this out into smaller bits. It's easier to fix if you have to. So we're going to hit save. Okay, then we're going to add some more content. So we're going to add some more text. So the next thing would be maybe your learning objectives. So you go to your lesson and you copy those. You might want to bold this. Okay, and you're going to hit save. So now you have two boxes of information. And you can always go in and click the pen to edit it. And you could always delete the whole box. And if you hit the trash can, it gives you a second chance. No, I don't really want to delete this, so I'm going to hit cancel. All right, now I'm going to show you how to embed a video. So let's say you have a great YouTube video. You're going to go to the Add Content. You're going to go down to Embed Content on a page. You're going to go to your YouTube video and you're going to go up and you're going to copy the URL. And then you're going to go here where it says Add URL or Embed Code. You're going to paste it in here and you're going to hit save. So voila, there you have your embedded video. Now, a lot of times it's good to give some directional information to students. So instead of just jumping into the video, you might want to create like a line of text that says, watch this video and think about how you would use this in your teaching, or whatever you want them to think about. So then you hit save. Okay, but now you have, you might want, maybe this should be before the video. So no fear, there's this handy reorder button up here where it gives you each chunked piece, and so you can go and you can move it up there if you want. So let's see how that looks. Okay. If I'm going to be picky, I feel like this information is too close to the information above it, like the line of text. So what I just do is I just give it a little space and do something like that. So, you can fool with the spacing to make it look more pleasing. But now you actually have 1, 2, 3, 4 different little boxes of information. And you can keep going down literally and have students complete your lesson in a linear way. So let's say at the end, I wanted to show you how to add a link to a forum. So if we go to Add Content and you go to Link to a Forum, All the forum topics are here. You're just going to click the button that has your week's worth. I'm going to use general just for the purposes of this, and you use selected, and there we go. You can tell them to post to the discussion. So that's it in a nutshell on how to get content in Sakai.